paradise doesn't come easy. Early alarms, TSA lines, hours in the sky. But with each mile crossed and every window seat glimpse of the Pacific, the anticipation grows. Travel days are long, but when your journey ends somewhere like this, it's totally worth it. Welcome to the Hilton Hawaiian Village, a sprawling 22-acre resort right on the sands of iconic Waikiki Beach. This isn't your average hotel. With 5 distinct towers, over 90 shops and boutiques, multiple pools, countless restaurants and bars, and even a saltwater lagoon, this place is basically a tropical mini city. It's energetic, vibrant, and full of things to do. Whether you're here to relax or explore, there's something for everyone tucked inside these lush palm-lined grounds. Our trip to the Hilton came after an unforgettable week cruising the Hawaiian Islands aboard NCL's Pride of America. We actually documented each day of the cruise in its own video, from embarkation in Honolulu to sunset views on the Nepali coast, plus an overall is it worth it review that breaks it all down. So if you're planning something similar, be sure to check those out. Check-in at the Hilton Hawaiian Village is at 4 p.m. and checkout is at 11 a.m. If you arrive early, you can pay $75 to check in early, or they'll hold your bags for free. If you're driving, parking runs about $72 per day for self-parking, or around $93 for valet. Wi-Fi is included with your stay, and it's worth noting that the hotel does not allow pets. We arrived back at port in Honolulu bright and early, with sand in our shoes, coffee in hand, and plenty of memories in tow. Since check-in wasn't until later in the afternoon, we dropped off our bags and took off to explore the grounds, and let's just say, we barely scratched the surface. We started around the Ali'i Tower. This area has a quieter, more exclusive feel compared to the busier parts of the resort. There's an adults-only pool with gorgeous ocean views, poolside cabanas, and boutique shops tucked along shaded walkways. It felt a bit more upscale and peaceful, perfect for couples or anyone looking for a quieter space to unwind. One of the coolest features of staying right on Waikiki is the easy access to unique excursions. Just steps from the Hilton beachfront, we found the Atlantis Submarine booth, and we had to try it. We'll talk about this in more detail in our next video, but let's just say this is a must-do if you're into ocean adventures. Tropics Bar and Grill is the resort's main beachfront restaurant. It really shines at sunset. We didn't get a chance to eat here, but the atmosphere was buzzing every evening. The menu features fresh local seafood, island-inspired favorites, and plenty of tropical cocktails. From what we've read, the view is what you're really paying for. Perfect for sunset lovers and beachside dining. Eventually, we got the text that our room was ready, but finding it was a bit of an adventure. The Hilton grounds are massive, and somehow we completely missed the fact that we had to cross Rainbow Drive to reach our tower. Let's just say we got in some bonus steps that day. When we finally made it to our room, it was simple but spacious, with all the essentials and a balcony looking out toward the ocean. After a week on a cruise ship, it felt like luxury. This room gave us the space to unpack, unwind, and just enjoy the view with a cup of coffee every morning. After dropping our things off, we stumbled upon Bali Oceanfront dining. This one's for the foodies and the romantics. Candlelit tables, crashing waves just a few steps away. It's the kind of spot you'd want to reserve for a special occasion. We didn't eat here either, but reviews mention the atmosphere is magical and the menu leans upscale. It's a splurge spot, but one worth considering if you're celebrating something. Close to the lagoon, the Hilton hosts the Starlight Luau several nights a week. It features live music, traditional Hawaiian hula, a Samoan fire knife performance, and an all-you-can-eat buffet. The setup is lively and immersive, and you really do feel like you're getting a taste of Hawaiian culture. Seating is first come, first serve, and doors open between 6:15 and 6:30, so get there early to get a good seat for the shows. On Friday nights, they do have a special Starlight Luau on the beachfront lawn. You'll be treated to interactive Hawaiian games, cultural activities, an exciting new show that takes you on a journey across the South Pacific, and you'll still get to enjoy that all-you-can-eat buffet from the normal luau. That's not all. You'll also get quick access to amazing vantage points to be able to view the Friday fireworks show. The Saltwater Lagoon is a family favorite and great alternative to the beach. Logan did go snorkeling here and spotted all kinds of fish. You can also rent paddle boards, kayaks, or just float around. Even though it's man-made, it doesn't feel artificial. The center gets fairly deep, somewhere around 10 feet in some areas, so keep that in mind if you have little ones. As we continued to explore, we found ourselves wandering back to the beachside path by Tropics. The views are absolutely incredible, and even if you never leave the resort, moments like this truly remind you you're in paradise. At this blue beachfront stand, you can rent equipment for activities like paddleboarding, snorkeling, or if you needed an umbrella or a chair, you can rent those there as well. The Rainbow Bazaar is a tucked-away shopping area that blends local culture with resort-style convenience. There are places to grab souvenirs, try local snacks, and pick up anything you might have forgotten to pack. Don't skip the Honolulu Cookie Company. Their shortbread cookies are legendary. The samples are generous, and trust us, they taste even better than they look. We left with a box thinking we'd save it for gifts, but they never made it past the hotel room. Fun fact, they currently ship to all 50 states, Puerto Rico, Australia, and APO-FPO addresses, so if you're anything like us and want to give them as gifts, You can always order them and eliminate the risk of eating them all before you leave. Friday nights at the Hilton are capped off with a beachfront fireworks show. It's free for guests and visitors alike, is a short display that typically starts between 7:45 and 8 p.m., but with the ocean behind you and the stars above, it feels extra magical. Definitely worth planning your evening around. So, is the Hilton Hawaiian Village worth it? If you're looking for a resort that has everything in one place, it delivers. Just know it's big, it's bustling, and you might need a map or two. Next up, we're exploring what to do outside the resort, including Jurassic Park filming locations, snorkeling, the Atlantis submarine, and so much more. See you in the next one.